To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Now go to the conversation where you want to apply the custom theme. Next, tap the icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. This will open the chat settings menu. Under Customization, tap Theme. A menu will appear from the bottom. Tap on Upload an image from the available options. This will open your phone's gallery. Select an image from your gallery. Now drag the square selection box left or right to choose the part of the image you want to set as your chat background. Then tap on Save to proceed. You will see a preview of how the theme will look. If you are happy with it, tap Select to apply it. The new theme is now applied to this specific chat. Once selected, the background will change, and the colors of the icons and chat bubbles will automatically update to match the chosen theme. It lets you personalize your chat experience by instantly changing the look and feel of the conversation to match your style. So that's how you can set any image as Messenger chat background.